first ever challenge, and our first ever challenge is to scare Barbie. Barbie. Yeah, Barbie. Now, our first one is that Raquel is going to put on a sound effect, and it's going to say, just do it. Now, let's try this out. Please no commercial screen.
Do it! Just do it!
Where is that coming from? Where is that
Let
coming
your
from?
dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams
not doing-
come true!
Okay.
Just do it!
Ew. What are you saying?
Success
Dude!
While you're gonna wake up and work hard at it.
I'm not
Nothing is
waking up. I
impossible.
already wake.
Get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you
Whoever
waiting
say-
for? Do it!
Okay, I do it.
Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
What's in here anyway?
You're tired of starting over. Stop giving up.
I won't give up. I won't give up. Thank you. Whoever's saying that, you're gonna be in big trouble. Yes, I said it. Big trouble. Yay, our first challenge complete. Woo! Woo! Ow. What challenge do you want to do next? It's gonna be another sound effect. This is not a real fire alarm that I'm about to put on. What? I'm about to put in. No. Just hold on for a minute. Yeah. Now, we're about to do another prank, and it's about to start. Fire! 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 Delivery! Fire! 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 Drop! Reload! Fire! 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 I think that was just a prank or challenge. Oh man, I think I smell real smoke. Bye. Please have checked her. There's a fireball. Ow! Ow! We need to start working on with our handshake. Okay. Now what else one do you want to do? Let's see. I want to do a prank on that new girl. Okay. But first, we can't, but we will do a second challenge. So we had the 2 challenges completed. Bye-bye. See you next time on the challenge or whatever. Bye.